Alright guys, so we are back at Carbo Wheel. So today we've got a venue and this is the key, venue key, and let's see. So this is how it opens. So we'll be working on it today. This is like 2024 venue and we'll be completing the push button and the keyboard installation. Let's start once we are done. And this time we have installed our push button here. So let's try and start the car. There we go. The car is started. Let's turn it off. Thank you. So now let's check out the remote start feature. So we come here. There we go. The car is started. And let's turn it off. Okay, time to test our application. And let's try engine start. There we go. So the app is completely functional. Off.